In this tutorial, we will show you how to do a refund via FPX Webview. Please navigate yourself to the FPX Webview page and proceed to enter your username and password to log in as a maker. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Please navigate to the Refund button and click Initiate. Next, input the transaction date and the FPX transaction ID, then click Search. Please select the transaction and click Add. Please proceed to input the amount to be refunded and click Next. Now, the refund has been created and is waiting for approval. You can also view your refund report here. Once the transaction has been processed, please re-log in to your account as a checker to approve the refund. Once logged in, navigate to the Refund button and click Validate. Here, select your transaction and switch the drop-down selection to Approve and click Next. A pop-up will appear for you to confirm that the transaction details are correct. Please proceed by clicking Next, and then click Approve. Now, you will see that the refund transaction has been successfully approved. Once approved, you will need to log in to your online banking account to approve the online transaction. The status will change to Success after the transaction is approved as shown here. The payer shall receive the refund amount after the transaction is approved. Thank you for investing your time with BillPlease.